hello people, I have an important video tutorial how to fix Sketchbook Pro frame rate too high speed because I done animation, but my animation plays little bit too fast. I found a solution. What you could do, you could export to single frames. Because we also have another program where you can change frames per second. PNG sequence. We also have like PNG sequences. We can export PNG sequences. Because there is no option that you could change frames per second. The thing is, you have limitation when you try to save animation. You can only see 12 frames per second, not lower value, and animation will play too fast. We have PNG sequences, so we could import in Krita application instead. But I have to check something. Krita will do better job for us. Because Krita is still being developed and they released the newest version from current year. Sketchbook development was abandoned some time ago. Autodesk no longer develops that program, but it is still a great program. Okay, we will have to probably adjust the import animation frames, browse, add images. But the issue is we will have to crop, unfortunately, because this seems to be too big. At least we have got crop tool, which is great. It is still large enough. What I could do, I will have to check. I think we could still cut it down a piece of paper. And now we can export our animation or render animation. 12. But make sure you choose the right format. WebM. Where is format WebM? This application has changed a little bit. I don't see any other formats. I don't see. That is not good because I cannot really see any single format. But you have to choose codec FMEG. Because without that codec, you won't be able to render animation without that important codec. We also have a constant rate factor. This could be useful for compression. Okay, and now I don't want Matroska video. I want MEG format. They should really add new formats, to be honest with you. Where to save animation? Okay, video location. I will choose a folder where my sketchbook project is. File, sketchbook, export. Oh no, I forgotten about something. No, I cannot export animation. I forgotten to change frames per second. Krita doesn't have limitation when it comes to frames per second. No, I completely forgotten about that before I was able to export animation. I don't remember when I was exporting animation last time. Okay, now we can render animation, people. Only video. We don't want to export anything else. I am not sure. Oh, this is nothing that goes around yet. Hopefully, it took less than a couple of seconds. I'm very surprised by the quality of creator animation. It got much better. It became much better. We have Sketchbook export animation. You can see frames per second. It's not too fast and you can watch animation much quicker. I hope you like my video tutorial. This is Krita 5.2.3 Beta 1 from current year. You can also check web page if they currently release the newest nightly build snapshot.